It's the dawning of a new month, and with a new month comes new offers from Vermeer North Atlantic. If you're in the HDD industry, or if you're any one of our Vermeer customers, we have a couple different ways that you're going to be able to save with us over the next couple of months. If you're in the HDD industry, then you'll want to know about the significant savings that we're offering on our back reamers right now. Till the end of the year, you're going to be able to pick up a Vermeer manufactured reamer for 15% off of normal price. That's any body style, any tooth type, any size reamer between 4 and 20 inches. You're going to be able to get at a 15% discount. As you drillers know, reamers are not cheap. I mean, just look at this thing. So 15% off is potentially hundreds of dollars in savings. Also, these are a high wear item, so you will need to buy another at some point in the future. How much better to stock up on these now while they're at a discounted price? This offer stands for the rest of 2022, so you have a pretty big window to decide just how many hundreds of dollars you'd like to save your company on necessary tooling. This offer is going to allow you to make the hole in the ground bigger while keeping the hole in your wallet smaller. Another deal we have going on is one that's available to all of our Vermeer customers. This is a discount on filter kits. So until the end of the year, we're going to be offering all of our filter kits for 10% off of normal price. That's all the filters on your machine, plus the engine oil. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensuring that all the money you spent on your machine stretches as far as possible. This offer allows you to stretch your money on the very maintenance that stretches your money. So come on into Vermeer North Atlantic, pick up a discounted filter kit today. Your machine deserves it. Well, the day's officially dawned on these new offers from Vermeer North Atlantic. Come on in, take advantage of them while they're lasting until the end of this year, till December 31st. If you have any questions about any of these discounts, you can leave us a comment down below. There's also going to be a link in the description of this video that you can click that'll take you to our website where you can get a little bit more info there. Also, feel free, give us a call at the number on the screen. You're also going to want to go ahead and like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be the first to know when we have new offers like these going on. Until next time, this is Steve Lessa from Vermeer North Atlantic. Thank you for watching.